This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the phone. Make sure iOS is up to date and your iPhone is charging. Standby activates reliably on power. Once ready, open Settings, go to Display and Brightness, and toggle Standby on. This enables the feature at the OS level. Then place the phone in landscape orientation and lock it so Standby appears. You're doing the basic activation now. These steps make the device show the standby interface automatically when charged and laid flat or on a dock. Once standby is active, customize what you see. You can add widgets like clock, calendar, or smart stack by tapping Edit when standby shows. Choose items that give the quickest glance. Make sure notifications and focus settings allow the alerts you want to appear. Go to Settings Right Arrow Notifications and Settings Right Arrow Focus to permit or silence specific apps. If your iPhone supports Always On, enable that to keep key elements visible. This combination ensures standby stays useful without draining attention or battery. Finish by testing. Lock the phone while it's charging and confirm the standby interface appears in landscape. If it doesn't, restart the iPhone, then reopen settings to verify the standby toggle is still on and that the charger provides steady power. Make sure cable and adapter support current flow. Weak or intermittent chargers can stop standby from initiating. If problems persist, toggle standby off and on again and update iOS. These final checks resolve most activation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.